Hi all, welcome to Radha's biology classes. Today we are going to discuss some MCQs from the chapter Human Reproduction of class 12 biology. Okay, now see the first question. Select the correct sequence for transport of sperm cells in male reproductive system. So here the pathway of sperms, you must know the different parts of the duct system in males, you must know. Okay, the different pathway include the first part, it starts from seminiferous tubules. The first part, it is seminiferous tubule. Seminiferous tubule move towards retitestis and coming out as vasa efferentia. Vasa efferentia then move towards epididymis to form a single duct called vas deferens. Vas deferens then combines with the duct from the seminal vesicle to form ejaculatory duct and opens out as through the urethra. Okay, so the correct pathway is which one? Option C, the correct answer. Okay, this is the pathway, and this pathway, it is very important. The question, it is repeating in different way. Okay, now see the second question. Which of the following depicts the correct pathway of transport of sperms? Same question. But see the options, the terms in each option, it is less. Okay, the answers are retitestis, efferenductules, epididymis, vas deferens. Retitestis, epididymis, efferenductules, vas deferens. Then retitestis, vas deferens, efferenductules, epididymis, efferenductules, retitestis, vas deferens, epididymis. Here the new term, it is efferenductules. Efferenductules are what? Ductules are the branches of the ducts. Okay, so efferenductules are those ductules which are coming out of the testis. Okay, so just after the retitestis, it is coming out as what? Efferenductules. Efferenductules then lead towards epididymis. Epididymis then to vas deferens. So which is the correct option? A is the correct option. Okay, then question number 3. The shared terminal duct of the reproductive and urinary system in humans is, in human male is. The shared terminal duct of the reproductive and urinary system. You know, in case of males, there is only a single opening for both the pass movement of urine and semen, and that is what is urethra. So the correct option, it is which one? Urethra. Okay, yes. Now question number 4. The Leydig cells are found in the human body are the secretory source of. The Leydig cells as found in the human body are the secretory source of. You know what are these Leydig cells? Leydig cells are those cells which are present in between the seminiferous tubules. What are these seminiferous tubules? Seminiferous tubules are those highly coiled tubular structures which can be seen inside the testis. Okay, so in between the seminiferous tubules, we can see certain cells, and that cells are known as what? That cells are called Leydig cells. And what is its function? Its function, it is secretion of male hormones. The male hormones are together called what? Androgens. Okay, so which is the correct option? D is the correct option. Again listen, the Leydig cells, because they are seen in between the seminiferous tubule, they can also be called as interstitial cells. These Leydig cells can be also called as what? Interstitial cells. So which is the correct answer? The androgens or the male hormones is the correct answer. Can you say any one androgen? One androgen, it is testosterone. One of the male hormones, it is testosterone. Okay, yes. Now question number 5. If for some reason the vasa efferentia in the human reproductive system get blocked, the gametes will not be transported from Testis to epididymis, epididymis to vas deferens, ovary to uterus, vagina to uterus. We all know the last two options are wrong because they are the parts of female reproductive system. So the other two options are what? From testis to epididymis, B it is epididymis to vas deferens. If vasa efferentia get blocked, the sperms will not move from testis to epididymis. So the correct option it is which one? A. Option A. Okay. See question number 6. The testes in humans are situated outside the abdominal cavity inside a pouch called scrotum. The purpose served is for. What is the advantage of this location? Because it is situated outside the abdominal cavity, so that the temperature will be less than that of the body temperature. So the correct option it is what? Maintaining the scrotal temperature lower than the internal body temperature. Do you know what is the advantage of that low temperature? Because of this less temperature or low temperature, the normal production of sperms will take place. Normal production of gametes or the sperms will take place due to the less temperature. Okay. Yes. Due to that low temperature. Okay. Now we can move on to the 7th question. Question number 7. Sertoli cells are found in ovaries and secrete progesterone, adrenal cortex and secrete adrenaline, seminiferous tubules and provide nutrition to germ cells, pancreas and secrete cholecystokinin. So Sertoli cells are what? I have told you those highly coiled structures present inside the testis are called what? Seminiferous tubules. And in the walls of the seminiferous tubules, there are mainly two different types of cells. One it is spermatogonial cells or the sperm mother cells which will produce what? Sperms or the gametes. The second type of cell it is Sertoli cells, and its function it is providing nutrients for the development of sperms, which will provide nutrients for sperms. So where do these Sertoli cells are present? Sertoli cells are present in the seminiferous tubules. What is its function? Which provide nutrients for the gametes. The germ cells, what are they? They are the gametes or the sperms. Okay, so which is the correct answer? C is the correct option. Okay, yes. Question number 8. Vasa efferentia are the ductules leading from. Vasa efferentia are leading from where? It is leading from a rete testis to vas deferens. Okay, correct answer it is rete testis to vas deferens. So you must be familiar with the pathway. Many questions are asking from that portion. Okay, now question number 9. Seminal plasma in human males is rich in seminal plasma. What is seminal plasma? Seminal plasma is the secretions from the accessory glands of reproductive system. Accessory glands or the additional glands in the male reproductive system. All those glands secrete a fluid, and altogether we can call it as what? Seminal plasma. And the seminal plasma are rich in fructose and calcium. Not only fructose and calcium, certain amount of enzymes are also present. In addition to this fructose and calcium, enzymes are also present. Okay, so the correct answer it is fructose and calcium. Question number 10. Secretions from which one of the following are rich in fructose, calcium and some enzymes? Same question in another way. What is the answer? Male accessory glands. Okay. Yes. Then question number 11. Seminal plasma in humans is rich in, again, which is rich in what all components there? Fructose, calcium and some enzymes. So which is the correct answer? Fructose, calcium and certain enzymes. D is the correct option. Okay. Now question number 12. Male hormone is produced in the testis by cells of male hormones or androgens are produced by which cells? They are produced by Leydig cells. Already we have seen Leydig cells produce what? Male hormones or androgens. Okay. Now, next one, question number 13. Location and secretion of Leydig cells are location and secretion of Leydig cells. Where it is present, Leydig cells are present in between seminiferous tubules. The seminiferous tubules can be seen where? In the testis. And what is its function? What is its secretion? Its secretion, it is androgens or male hormones. One such androgen, it is testosterone. So, location it is testis and secretion it is testosterone. So, the correct answer it is option C. Okay. Yes. Then number 14. The part of fallopian tube closest to the ovary is isthmus, infundibulum, cervix, ampulla. Which are the different parts of fallopian tube? Fallopian tube, in the first part, it consists of many finger-like projections, and all those finger-like projections together we are calling it as fimbriae for the collection of ovum. Then this fimbriae then opens to a broad funnel-shaped part called infundibulum, and this infundibulum opens to a tubular part called ampulla. Ampulla is leading towards isthmus, and this isthmus opens to the uterus. So these are the four different parts. Here fimbriate is not given. The closest part of the ovary, it is which one? It is infundibulum. So B is the correct option. Okay, B is the correct option. Now see question number 15. Meiotic division of secondary oocyte is completed. Meiotic division of secondary oocyte is completed. Secondary oocyte, it is what? Secondary oocyte is the resultant cell formed after first meiosis in oogenesis. Okay. And the secondary oocyte, after completing this first meiosis, it stops its division. And its division will complete, or secondary oocyte will complete its second meiotic division only after fertilization or only during fertilization. Okay. So here the question it is what? Meiotic division of the secondary oocyte is completed prior to ovulation? No. At the time of copulation? No. After zygote formation? No. And D, it is what? At the time of fusion of a sperm with an ovum or during fertilization. So the correct answer it is what? Option D. Okay. So that's all. Thank you.